Vic from V-Drive. I have a simple question for you. Would you like to have an off-road GM truck with the luxury of Denali Ultimate? Well, this is the one. Look at this. Bringing it to you, AT4X 1500 in that titanium rush metallic color. Beautiful looking truck. There is so many things you can do with this. I'm just going to tell you that right now. But let's just talk about the exterior real quick. You have the nice LED lights at the front end. You have the precision lights at the front. You have the metal skid plate right here. Bumper, and you have a skid plate underneath too, right? You have the nice blacked out front, as you can see, with the AT4X badging, right? And behind this grille, you have the aero shutters that stay open if your engine is warm enough, and they close down when your engine needs to contain all the warmth inside there, right? Which is pretty amazing. Now, what makes this truck special is not just the blacked out front, because AT4, if some of you know that AT4 has all these things except that bumper. But in this one, you also get the Multimatic shocks right here, front and back, which you can possibly see on the screen right here. 3 spool walls, amazing retracting time. It's basically like Fox shocks that you get into the Ford as well. And obviously 18 inches wheels right there. There's so many different packages you can get. In this specific one, you get the Duramax turbo diesel, which looks like this. 3-liter diesel, 6-cylinder, paid to 10-speed transmission, putting out 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. Now, if you're like, Vic, I don't really care about the diesel engine, I just would rather have a gas one, you can definitely have a 6.2 V8 that puts out 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. But let me ask you this, would you rather have a diesel over a gas and save on fuel? Because diesel has amazing fuel economy. Some of the people that I know who own this truck, they can get about 1,100 kilometers per tank, which is 91 liters, which is amazing actually. Right? Let's just get into the side right here. On the side right here, you get these nice AT4X mud flaps that you can get from the dealership, right? Beautiful looking color. One big thing with the AT4X, unlike AT4, you can have a 6.6 box. In this one, you can only get a 5.8 box due to the special shocks that you get. Talking about the Multimatic DSSV shocks, it's the same shocks that they use in the Canyon AT4X, your 2500 AT4X, the Trail Boss, ZR2s, Colorados, the 2500s and Chevy, same shocks. The best part about this is, if you're going off any of these off-road trails here, you can see the construction site, that's all I have around me. The response time on the shocks are gonna be amazing, which we're gonna get into. We're gonna try to show you what it can do actually. Now, one big thing, the big difference between choosing the AT4 or AT4X is you also get front locker in this one. Not only the rear locker, front one as well, right? Please come at the back. Let me show you the back end bumper here. Blacked out bumper here, body matched I mean to say. Rear end sensors, multi-pro tailgate that opens up like this, and it comes with the speakers in the tailgate. Now, if some of you know about the 1500 GMCs, the Denali Ultimate is the luxury side of a vehicle, right? It has exact same features, except obviously the blacked out package, the off-road systems and stuff. Really easy to get inside right here. Comes with a bed liner here, 120 volt port, lights on the side if you have a tonneau cover on, and right here you got the backup camera, rear view mirror camera and you have a bed view camera as well, which is pretty neat. Obviously rear sliding window, all that kind of stuff. Talking about the price of this truck, in Canada you can get this truck for $103,000 plus obviously your luxury tax and the GST and fees, whatever the dealership have to offer to you guys or charge to you guys, right? What do you guys think? Do you think this truck will be a better buy over a Ford Raptor or a Ford Tremor? Please drop a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. Before we get into the interior, please subscribe to the channel. More and more fun content is on the way. And if you have any questions, please let me know. All right, let's just get into the interior of this beautiful vehicle. You have the nice leather with the nice texture right around here with the white stitchings and pipings. Osmium Rush interior right here with the purple stitchings, nice texture, white piping and stitchings, and obviously space behind your seats. You can throw your snacks or booze in it. Rear sliding window, and you have suede headliner, which is pretty feel-good material. And obviously this is your underseat storage. Comes with the block heater cord, all that kind of stuff. You can also have all-weather floor liners in this, and these are just the regular mats with the carpet inserts in it. These basically works as all-weather floor liners too, but depends how exactly you see it. Plenty of space here. Just so you know, the front seats are all the way back and all the way down the way I like it, right? But even with all that, I have plenty of space. My head is not touching the roof, as you can see here. and I have heated seats at the back with the USB-C ports here, right? My question to you guys, what do you guys think? GM should bring a panoramic sunroof here? What are your thoughts? Let me know. Now let's just show you the front of the vehicle here real quick. You have the powered, massaging, heated and cooling seats at the front end here. Really cool texture, which I can't get over with. AT4X badge right here. AT4X badge right there. Bose stereo system, AT4X badge here. So many badges all around the vehicle here, and obviously with the AT4X or the Denali Ultimate, you also get this grab handle with the leather wrapped on it, which is pretty neat. Rear camera mirror right here, vents up right here, and you have leather wrapped steering wheel with your paddle shifters as well. This is your rear locker, and these are the lockers for both front and rear, which is pretty neat. Comes with a 360 camera, pretty neat. If you will wash your front windshield, it's also have a washer camera at the front end, which is pretty neat. Trailer brake controller, 10-speed transmission, wireless charger, and extra console space here too. And this is how exactly everything looks like, right? Let's just take you guys for a quick drive so I can show it to you how it handles, how's the comfort, and how's the sound deadening inside it as well. All right, let's just do a little bit of a testing how it handles on all these rough terrains here. All right, let's just see how it handles here. It feels really good, feels really amazing. It's not like I have a crazy off-road terrain here, but you know what? The way the truck handles and it doing the job there, right? It feels really smooth. I'm gonna quickly get into the situation here. Just show it to you guys how it's gonna react to things, right? So far, it feels really good. And just so you know, the truck is still in two-wheel drive, which is pretty smooth, right? Let's just switch it to 4x4 and lock my lockers here too, so I can just show it to you. Feels really smooth. With the diesel engine, it feels like a tank. Look at that. You don't really feel anything with this thing. That's the real use. I have my massaging seats going with the cooling seats, right? It feels really good, and I feel like, you know, I own the world, especially with all that power that I have and all that torque that I have and what I'm doing. And you hope you're able to see all that here. Hope you guys liked the fun that I had here. Just wanted to demonstrate that anything is possible with this truck. Anything you would like to have, basically. Hey, you can't park there! With that, we are done. As I mentioned before, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and because I don't want to miss you when I post another video of mine in the next chapter. Thank you so much.